Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make your own custom wallpaper using Inkscape 1.0. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Open the Inkscape application. Click File and then Document Properties. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D. Then I will change the display units to pixels and units to pixels. I will untick the Show Border Shadow and tick the Border Top of Drawing option. Then I will change the page height and width. As we are making this wallpaper for mobile, the height will be more than width. You can use 720, 280 or 1080, 920 screen sizes. Enable this option and draw rectangle with first corner to last corner. Now change the color of the rectangle. This will be the background of our whole drawing, in the sky and watercolor also. Now I will add a new layer and name it Mountains. Now I will use Draw Bezier Curves and Straight Lines tool to draw triangles. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate this triangle and place it to the other side. Now draw the bigger mountain at the middle. Now time to color the mountain in the middle and draw the shadow and color it. Then color the other two mountains and give them shadows. Now I will draw ice on the top of each mountain to get a cool look. Now I will select all images and group them together. You can change the height and width according to your choice. Now I will draw a land part on the bottom and color it. You can add some shadows to get an impressive look. Now I will make gradients using the Color Gradients and Gradients tool. Now I will add shadows of mountains in the water. You can add gradients in the sky. I will draw clouds now. And duplicate and resize them and place around the mountains. You can decorate the scenario as you wish. I will add a red flag on the top of the middle mountain. I will add a new layer below the mountains layer. I will use this to make white gradient effect on the sky. Now I will make new layer for trees. Draw the triangle-like shapes for minimalistic look. Duplicate and resize the trees and place wherever you want and change color according to your choice.
You can add text and edit, but I will suggest you to keep the area clean for clock and calendar widgets on your mobile. This is the wallpaper of my mobile phone. Now look, it looks cool really. Like, share and must subscribe and press the bell icon to get future posts like this.